I just, I'm sorry. Basically, I felt like a scrub, y'all, being all soft, whatever, whatever. So I go to the apartment. I get there, and instead of me having something for her, she had a gift for me. The gift was a card. And on the card, it said that remember that you stand on the shoulders of the great men and women that came before you. And she wrote on there how great of a man I was. And there are things that happen that are temporary, but temporary isn't forever. And, you know, she just poured life into me, and she didn't have to. She built me up. So at that moment, I just knew that she was the one that, trying to be soft right quick. But at that moment, I knew for sure that you were the one.